It is another method of determining of operating cycle and cash cycle. Already we have calculated based on the operating cycle formula O is equal to R plus W plus F plus D minus C. Now it is another method to calculate operating cycle as well as cash cycle. We want to calculate operating cycle and cash cycle. We need three period: inventory period, account receivable period, account payable period. So first one, inventory period, we want to calculate. The formula is like this: inventory period is equal to average inventory divided by annual cost of goods sold divided by 365. Average inventory will calculate opening plus closing divided by 2 and annual cost of goods sold, which value is given, and divided by 365. And account receivable period is equal to average account receivable divided by annual sale divided by 365. Means average account receivable we want to calculate, opening plus closing we have to take it, then make it divided by 2, then we will get average account receivable, then divided by annual sale divided by 365. Then account payable period is equal to average account payable divided by average cost of goods sold divided by 365. Same average account payable we want to calculate. The account payable of opening plus closing divided by 2 we have done. We can get average account payable, and then divided by average cost of goods sold divided by 365. Per day we can calculate average cost of goods sold. Then after calculating all three periods, inventory period, account receivable period, and account payable period, then we can calculate cash cycle. Cash cycle is equal to operating cycle minus account payable period. We want to calculate operating cycle, so we will calculate inventory period plus account receivable period. Means inventory period and account receivable period you have added, then you will get operating cycle. Then which operating cycle you will get, you deducted this account payable period, you will get cash cycle. Once again I'll repeat, cash cycle is equal to operating cycle minus account payable period. Operating cycle we want to calculate inventory period plus account receivable period. Both the period we have added, we will get operating cycle. From operating cycle we deducted account payable period, then we will get cash cycle. APP means account payable period, ARP means account receivable period, IP means inventory period, OC means operating cycle.